WhatsApp is about to make your holiday chats sparkle? Yes, literally. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. WhatsApp is reportedly testing a dazzling new feature for iOS users that turns ordinary emoji reactions into a mini celebration. Following the release of WhatsApp Beta on test flight, W8 Beta info revealed that selected iPhone users can now blow confetti animations whenever they react to messages with certain festive emojis. Imagine sending a heart, thumbs up, or smiley emoji and suddenly watching a burst of colorful confetti explode across your screen. Now that's a fun, eye-catching way to make your messages feel extra special this holiday season. The feature is designed to add a playful touch to conversations, giving users a tiny dose of joy with every reaction. WhatsApp is making this as a limited time treat for the festive period. Once the holidays are over, the confetti disappears, making it a seasonal surprise to bring smiles to friends and family. Meta is trying to keep iOS and Android features aligned, making sure users get the same sparkling experience everywhere. WhatsApp's focusing on making chats more expressive and interactive, and with this new animation, it is transforming a simple thumbs up or heart emoji into something visually memorable, bringing some holiday magic into everyday messaging. The confetti reaction is expected to roll out to all iOS users just in time for festive messaging. Whether you're sharing holiday greetings, jokes, or heartfelt messages, this playful animation promises to make your chats stand out in a sea of standard emojis. WhatsApp is officially turning reactions into a party, and it's coming to your iPhone soon. Are you ready for a festive WhatsApp? For more updates, tips, and tricks in gaming news like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.